All right, here's your instructions on how to use alpaca fiber for felting and felting a picture. Now what I've done is I've unpacked your bag, and the first thing that we need to do is prepare the fiber. And so I'm going to teach you a couple of techniques. The first is called, what I call noodling. That's where you take just a tiny bit of fiber, you'll see, and then you'll roll it into a noodle. And if it's not thin enough, you can pull it apart and roll it again. So this would be good. I'll put the picture on top of the pad, and this would be good, really good for a trim, if you want to trim around or add detail. Another technique is to ball, and that's where, again, you take a tiny bit. Too much is too much. You're better using a tiny bit and adding. So make it into a ball. And this ball is really nice for starting your felting project as a ball rather than just putting fiber on it. The next is blending. So if you want to blend some color together, you can just take pieces of it and pull it apart like this, and then prepare it either in a noodle or a ball. I'm going to ball it. See? There we go. If your hands are too dry, you can use lotion. Now there are two needles. There's long and short, and I have a spare for you. The long one is for the regular felting, and so what I'm going to do is poke, 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 poke. So there are barbs on the needle that you definitely don't want to get on your, poke your finger, so you can put your little protectors on. So if you poke yourself, it won't hurt. So I'm just poking it down. I'm going pretty fast just because this is a video. You can move it a little bit with the needle. And like I said, you can use this outline as the outline, or you can noodle the outside or the trim any way you want. So what I'm doing is making this picture, and I'm doing it from the back just because I like to see the back of a cat instead of the front. But if you want to do the front, you can do that. This is where you would use white, ball it, and put it into the eyeball with the small needle, because that's for delicate, and then take black or blue and create a smaller ball and put it in the center. So you can create just the details with the small needle. You'll need that for a lot of the things in here that are small. If your needle breaks, throw it away. Like I said, you have a spare, so you have too large and too small in your kit. When you're done, you're given a frame to use, and so you can go ahead and frame your piece. I recommend that you sign it and you give it, either keep it or give it to a loved one. They'll love your artwork. And so you can make all black cat, all white cat, any color that you'd like. You'll see that you have these colors in your kit as well as many other colors, so you can use your imagination and go wild. Well, have fun with your kit, and I hope you enjoy this. On behalf of Alpaca Fiber Arts, I give you my greetings and hope you have a wonderful time.